This video is going to be how to draw a soda can using lines and shapes. So get your sketchbook or your little quarter-size sheet of paper, and this is the first step that we're going to do. We're going to draw an oval at the top of your paper. Alright, so at the top of your paper, draw a small oval, just like that. Okay, then we are going to draw a small smiley face right under this oval. So you start on this side of the oval, small smiley face right under the line of the oval, and then connect to the other side of the oval. Okay, the next step, we are going to draw a diagonal line from this side of the oval, just a small diagonal line, and then we'll do the same thing on this side, going out towards the edge of the paper, small diagonal line. Next step, we are going to draw a straight line going down. I am going to use the edge of my paper as a guide, or you can use a ruler, but it's not necessary because we are just practicing and learning how to draw, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Straight down, I'm using the edge of the paper as a guide, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to use this edge of the paper as a guide, but you can use a ruler if you want. Straight down, doesn't have to be perfect. We're learning how to draw. Alright, I am going to do a smiley face from this end of the line to this end of the line. So put your pencil on this end, small smiley face, go back up and connect. And then I'm going to have a small smiley face under this curve again. Go down just a little bit, and then go back up. Okay, now your soda can is going to be sitting on a table. So this line represents a table. I'm going to go from this edge of the paper, and I'm going to draw a straight line going to the can. I'm going to stop at the can, pick up my pencil, go to the other side of the can equally, and then continue the line, and it looks like it is sitting on the table. Okay, the next step, I made a little mistake right here, so I'm going to use that as an opening of the can. So I'm going to do a C shape on this side. Now you can do it on this side like I did the original, but I'm going to do it on this side just to cover my little mistake. So I'll do a C shape, and then I will draw a sideways letter V, and then I'm going to color that in, but you can color that in with a pencil or your color pencil, whatever you're drawing with. And then I'm going to do the lid, and all you do is just like a sideways U shape. That just represents the lid. Inside your can, you're going to design it however you want to design it. So I just did a wavy line and I colored it red, but you can use whatever colors you want, but I'm going to do a wavy line. You can create whatever design you want. I'm going to go up, down, and I'm going to do it again right under it. Up, down, down. And then get your crayons and color pencils, color it whatever color you would like, and have fun designing your soda can.